Welcome back to the madness. You're having a great day. Ooh, let's scan. Anyone want to watch me? Visuals are off, so it doesn't really matter. Thanks for keeping guard, Yellow. You'll probably kill me, but... Thanks. Sorry. I guess I don't need to put any sound effects in there. Should probably, make the game quiet, and then I can do my own sound effects. That'd be interesting. Let's do it. Okay, turn this off. Turn off. Haha! Okay, hopefully you guys can still hear me. This is your background music. Beep. Add it up. Drink. I gotta remember all these sounds I make. Da 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 boop. 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 Sup, 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 sup. Pew, 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 pew. Beep, 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 beep. Beep. Do, 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 do. Can't figure out what kind of step I want to do. Dun, 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 dun. Zoop, 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 zoop. Shoop, 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 shoop. That's me stepping around. I know it's really bad. Nobody's dying, apparently. I forgot to do doors here. You want to kill me, Blue? Is that what you want? Hi. Will you kill me, please? Kill me! Just kill me! I'm doing really bad at being, like, the sound effect guy, so come on. Pink, please kill me. Kill me, please. Kill me, please. Kill me, kill me, kill me. Please, 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 please. Sorry, that was a little delayed. I should do a different noise. So let's go. Every time somebody says anything. That's annoying. Let's do it. Seriously? Okay. I got voted out for just following someone wanting to die. I dead. So we have different sound effects for being a ghost. We like victory. Sorry guys, I know. Hope you're enjoying it. Oh good, I am recording. I'm just checking to make sure, cause yeah. Who was it? Who was it? Who was it? Oh, that makes sense. Oh, that's when somebody comes in. Eek. Okay, let's see if I can do this. Okay, I have a minute to warm up because it takes a minute to come on, right? Hurry! I'm losing my encouragement. Come on. No. That's the sound if you don't get imposter. I guess you get if you get imposter. What do you think? No one's moving. Is that normal? I mean, give me a couple rounds, guys. I might actually do this well. Burp. Burp, burp. Burp, burp, burp. Burp, 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 burp. Oh no! Da-da-da! Oh, sorry. It should be da-da-da. Sorry, I forgot I was supposed to do sound effects for this too. Thank goodness I was doing Simon Says. I wasn't even there. They're still gonna vote me. Okay, I'm trying to get my whistle ready. See, people still voted me, guys. It's ridiculous. Burr, 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 shh, burr, burr, shh, shh. Choo 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 choo. Oh no! One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10! Dun, 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 dun. Sorry, I forgot. Dun, dun, dun. Toot, 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 toot. Toot. I mean, Madara killed an entire ninja nation, so I think they're guilty. Toot, toot. Toot, toot, toot. Skip vote. Kind of like, player 1, skip vote. Okay, get my whistle ready. Kind of like the Hunger Games. Get a cannon ready. See, it still wasn't a good whistle, but... I'm getting better, guys. I gotta admit. I'm getting better. Three, two, one. In today's meeting, I would like to discuss... Oh, where are you going? No, listen to me. Today's meeting, I would like to discuss coffee in the break room. Where did you all go? Okay, fine. Hi. Bam. Bam, bam. Bam, bam, bam. Da da da. See, I remembered. Sure you didn't. Okay, I don't think I need to have a whistle ready for this one. I don't think we... What could be our, no one got ejected noise? No one died. I don't know. Why is my voice so low when I do that too? Okay. Too much free time, Sarah. Doot 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 doot, and they're gonna go burr 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 burr. Joot 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 joot. Oh no, I hit it wrong. I was too worried. Joot 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 joot. No. Okay. Da 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 da. No, I hit it wrong. I deserve to die. You are dead. Sorry, guys. Do 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 do. Now, why was I able to do that? Do 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 do. Burn, 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 burn. You are dead. I deserve that. Let's get a whistle ready, guys. What do you think? Let's warm up. Let's do some lip warm up. Yeah, there we go. Yeah. 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 Got this going. What do you know about y'all? Yeah. 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 Keep the lips moving. Yeah. Yep. Get the whistler going. See, when I'm not trying, I can whistle. Okay. And then we go. See, why can I do it now, but I can't do it? Pressure is too much, guys. The pressure is just way too much. I can't handle it. I don't know what to do anymore. But we are going to conclude this episode soon because my phone is complaining that it's running out of storage. So, if this does end abruptly, I apologize, but this is okay content. I'm going to keep and put it on the channel. So, it's just a new exploration. We're putting sound effects to the game. And right now, I'm just not in the mood to put sound effects, so there isn't any. Okay, we can be like a typing. This is me typing my response. These are all the people typing their responses like, you suck, no you suck, no you suck, and 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 you suck, and... Okay, I got my whistle ready. Ready? 1, 2, 3. That was pretty good. That one was pretty good. Victory! You won! Yay! Well, guys, I think I'm going to leave it here. I hope you have a wonderful day. Know that you're loved and you're appreciated and you're wanted. And I definitely do appreciate you coming around. Say hi to me in the comments. It's great to see you guys. Hope you have a great day. Bye!